So at the Scottish Snowman's Rally today, guys, we're heading back to go and check out the cars, eh? Just back, David's just warming himself up, aren't you, son? Yeah. And we're just getting the packed lunch ready, eh? There we go. Lots and lots of stuff. Bailey, you have to stay here though, don't you, darling? Because you'd bark at all the cars going past in the Snowman Rally. When young Emily's on the scene, the party can start, as it were. We'd like a nice drive, and we're going to drive past Loch Ness, you guys, eh? Which the kids have seen loads of times. And a wee quick bye-bye to the... Oh, Bailey! A quick goodbye. Well, see, you just can't help it, can you? Eh? As soon as I go and turn to Spike... Okay. Yes, as soon as I turn to Spike, our buddy, look, there he is. Eh? Our bearded dragon Spike. And I think little Luna's probably sleeping, our little... Emma's little gecko, yeah. Trying to do a bit better camera work, eh, guys? I'm going to see the boy before we go, guys. Just a 5-minute This is Herbie, if you're watching for the first time. Emily's Hossy, her baby boy. Yeah, and there he is, aren't you, that I'm seeing, yeah. We've got the Snowman. We can't take you today. No, he's too big. Yeah, so here we go, look. Mummy's getting hers, David's getting his, I'm getting mine. We're here lovely and early. I'm gonna be eating last. Yes, you'll be eating last, won't you? This coming down, look. Into this hairpin, then up, and we'll follow them all the way up there, up to the street as well. And here we go. Oh, it's the... Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, is it? A Skoda? Oh, yeah. Here we go then. Back a little bit. So guys, you can see in the middle there, look, a big rock's already been churned up. Shouldn't be too much a problem for these guys. And here we go, we will move again, guys. Yeah, that was a WRC. There we go. Oh, BMW. He's losing his exhaust, I think. He's losing his exhaust. Oh, yes. What are we getting this time? Mark II! So just moving up now, guys. Here we go. Subaru. Here we go. Oh yeah. Mark II's right in the corner. That's more like it. Oh yeah. Oh. So the note right there. A bit of the rain coming down now. It's not bad though. Yeah, you can already see the track. Hey son, look. There's a great big dip right in that right hand bend part there, look. I wonder if they're good into that. They probably are. No, you can't. There we go. I think they are. Well, he's not. Oh yeah. He's kind of using that bit. Yeah, so he's working our way up, guys. Here he comes. Oh yeah. Here we go, another Mark II, guys. Oh yeah, oh. Ah, he's okay. Ow! An older Subaru. Oh yeah, that's another Mark II. Superb. Now watch it, look, a stone in the face this time. Yeah, so we'll just keep moving up. Oh, now front wheel drive, it's a lot different. Going up this hill, look. Oh, it's a procession of Mark IIs. Yeah, so the girls are back down there. Me and David's moving up, aren't we, son? Yeah. I'm getting there. Very cool, eh? Absolutely fantastic. Oh, something doesn't sound right. Oh no. Oh, he's punctured. Yeah, so this next car's going to catch up on that guy. I've got a good view down now. I think so. Yeah, red one. Yes, we're just, oh, David's starting to get tired, guys, look. No, he's slowing up. There's Mike! Here's Mike, oh! Got him. Oh, that's the girl, what's her name again? Oh, where are we? Oh yes! Yeah, so that's them down that hairpin and now they're going to come up the hill, look. There we go. Moving back down a bit. Front wheel drive a lot slower. Yeah, this BMW we see every year. Yeah, so just doing our work on our way down here, so we're getting there. Go back down to the hairpin at the bottom. Oh, now this is a BMW, should be rear wheel drive. Here we go. That's it, put the foot down. BMW. Oh, and the lovely Mark II again. Really love it. Yeah, the girls are just right down there racing. Here we go, son, see what we can do. Oh, he's slow, something not right. Oh, front wheel drive. Peugeot 106, is it? Oh, that's a girl. What's her name? Here we go, a bit further up. Aye, to the hairpin there. We'll get down there, guys. Yeah, so right up from the hairpin now. You don't come in, here we go. That brilliant noise. Oh, an Astra! Vauxhall Astra! Pretty slow going. Just awesome. Oh. Front wheel drive. You'll struggle up that hill. Like, oh. There he goes. Oh, he's okay. Yeah, so downhill all the way back to the car park, people. Yeah, I know. Bailey was getting a Bailey was getting a little bit of babysitting. Oh, hello, darling. Excited. Loves our family, that one. So we're in nighttime mode now, guys. Look, oh, the young Davs is up there. We've got Emily and we've got Herbie. Herbie's not the best for filming in this weather, really, is he? With the darkness.
No, he's almost camouflaged.
Yeah. Now, I'm hoping you see that, but I just got my first little nip from Herbie. Like, well, I've had a couple of nips before, but that was a bit better. And it was kind of our fault, obviously being at the Snowman, so I came back with a little bit excited, weren't we?
Yeah, a little overexcited.
Yeah, and I think, and he just caught me when we were in the stables there. My fault though. Hey Herbie, it's what horses do though, just a horsey, aren't you? Yes. Not so easy to film in the darkness as our Herbs, although he's got a lovely white stripe down the front of his head, haven't you, darling?
Currently hidden.
It's currently hidden. Yes, we'll see you tomorrow, darling. Oh, where is he? And back we are, people, look. Red, well, it's not red, is it? It's
a sort of red.
It's a sort of red, yeah. And Emily having her, it's an ice cream scoop, isn't it?
I got bored while waiting for us to set in, so I'm just not eating.
That is one crazy woman right there, beat off.